Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. It's your girl TiaBella. In today's video, I will be showing you how I did these mermaid inspired nails using some gel polish, some glitter, and also I did try my hand at creating a 3D nail design on my thumb. So if you want to see how I did that, please keep on watching. So we're going to get started on the mystery nail art by Kajun from Charlie's Nail Art. I'm going to put my discount code there on the screen for you, as well as all of the social media channels for Charlie's Nail Art. So first up is this Watermelon Whirl Glitter Mix. It's a combination of some greens, some blues, some pinks, some reds, some yellows, just a combination of a lot of the colors. And I think it is a beautiful, beautiful color. Next up, I have this black and white floral nail art foil transfer. Definitely, if you want something very simple and unique, foil transfers are definitely the way to go. So we seem to have some really cute palm trees as well as pineapples and some seashells. So if you decide to do something tropical or beachy or coastal, those would be really good to have. Now, I did purchase some one-off products that didn't come in the mystery bag. Those mini chocolate bars were something that I purchased separately. This glitter mix, though, is part of the mystery bag and is so pretty. There's like different shapes and different colors in this mix. There's a nice shimmer to it. And you know what? I think this would go really well with like jelly polish or a jelly poly gel, just so that you can see the beauty of that glitter mix. Okay, so back to these chocolate bars. So I ordered that, and then I also got these thimos that are in the shapes of like desserts, and I thought that was unique and pretty, so I wanted to do a candy dessert inspired set of nails. And I also got these neon metallic nail embellishments, and then we have these mermaid tails, which is the star of the show. Such a beautiful color, such a beautiful shimmer to it. It's just magical underneath some clear poly gel. So these are some rhinestones, some flat back rhinestones. Very nice, very pretty. I've ordered some of these before from Charlie. And then we have two of these cute little bows. These are so cute. I don't think I actually have seen something similar to those. And then we have these neon squares, which reminds me of confetti. And then we have this beautiful gold digger glitter combination of some hexagons and some fine and medium glitter in here. So that is a beautiful color. And then these are called chameleon pebbles. First time I've ever seen anything like it. I didn't even know you could put stuff on like these on your nails. And when I saw this, I immediately knew that I was gonna design something that was kind of coastal, kind of, water-based with the mermaid tails. So those are chocolate bonbons. Again, this is something I purchased separately to go along with my candy-inspired, dessert-inspired theme that I want to go. And then lastly, I got some donuts to fit in with that theme. Those are so cute, so pretty. And also these kind of beads, because they reminded me of sprinkles. So when I do my candy theme design, everything over there is kind of cohesive with that theme. And the mystery bag itself is also cohesive. Like a few of the things go really well together with each other. So these three, I think I'm going to be focusing on today for my design. So to apply my nails, I'm going to be doing the foil glue method. I've mentioned this on my channel before. It is simply applying foil glue directly onto your nail, which is water-based, not the gel. Allow it to self-dry, and then you're just going to put on some base gel over this, and this is going to allow you to be able to easily pop your nails off once you are done with your design. So for Makartt Nails by TiaBella, it's going to save you a whopping 15%. Feel free to use that code. And I'm going to be using their base gel, top gel, and a few of the gel polish from the Femi Beauty and Makartt collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish prep my finger and apply my nail tips, and I'll be right back. So once I've cured all nails and applied that base gel, I'm now ready to apply some gel polish. So I'm going to be going in with Sugar, which is my favoriteest nude color from the Femi Beauty Nude collection. And I'm going to apply 2 layers of this gel polish to a half of my nail, cure this under my UV lamp, and then move on to the next step of this design. Here is how the nail's looking once it has been cured. So now ready to apply 2 of the gel polish collection. This is Crystal and Twinkle, and I mainly chose these because the colors kind of reminded me of the ocean or the water. So for my coastal kind of design, I'm just going to go ahead and slather these over the nail in no particular order. Now, what I will say is that they are pretty sheer. Like, I was hoping for a little bit more, jelly glitter, but these aren't really jelly glitter. They're rather transparent. So I did end up adding a little bit of jelly, blue jelly polish to this that I had from Beetles. So before I cure my nail under my UV lamp, I am applying 2 of these Mermaid sequins to the nail, and then I go ahead and pop them under the UV lamp. So to apply these beautiful chameleon pebbles, I'm going to take my Beetles rhinestone glue and just kind of go around the edge of what I would call my sandy shoreline. And then just stick the rhinestone glue on there, and then just stick the chameleon pebbles on top of that. Once I have those pebbles positioned, then I just pop my finger under my UV lamp to cure them so that they can harden and stay in place. Here is how the nail is looking. I know it looks a little bit weird now, but it will come together. So to create that kind of rocky area of my coastline, or my cliff. I don't know. Maybe this is my cliff. I'm just gonna take the carving gel from Saviland, this brown carving gel from Saviland, and it's literally like a Play-Doh, but there's pigment to it. There is a little bit of color to it. So you're just gonna want to rub these through the palm of your fingers and make sure you form the shape that you want the carving gel to be in, and you're just going to attach it to your nail. Apply it to the area that you want. Press down on that area, smooth it out, or whatever you manipulate your carving gel, whichever way that you would like. And because I want this to look very rocky, I'm just gonna take my little spatula here and just kind of press into it, just to give it that kind of texture of what a rocky cliff or coastline, in my opinion, would look like. So I'm just gonna press down on this and then do a little area to the bottom. So that's how that is looking. Now I do want to add a little bit of color, so I'm going to take these 3 colors from Modelones and I'm going to apply them onto my little paint dish, my little paint tray here. And I'm going to take a liner brush and just add some colors onto those pebbles, just to give them, that mossy kind of wet kind of coastal, if you've seen any big rocks near the shores of beaches that break up the waves, seaweed gets caught in there. So that's what I'm kind of going for, because right now it looks really plain. So I wanted to add a splash of color onto these. So I'm just going to add some color and then I will be right back. So here is how that polish work is looking. I think it adds a good variety to the coats, and I like it. I really do think that it looks a little bit more beachy for me. So I did use my clear polygel from Modelones to encapsulate that mermaid glitter, and now I'm just adding a layer of base gel onto this nail. I think this is optional actually. You could probably just go ahead and add top gel if you like, but I am gonna cure this and then I'm going to file the sides and just kind of shape it up just a little bit before I put my top coat on. And I did add a few flowers in there as well as some gold embellishments. So that is how that nail turned out. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my fingers. First, I'm going to start off by applying some of that same Twinkle glitter gel polish onto my pinky. And because it is so sheer, like it just doesn't give enough of the color, I'm going to go ahead and apply some glitter to this, to the entire nail. That's something I actually haven't done on my channel yet. Apply like a lot of glitter. And I purchased this glitter set that I'm going to be using for my nails off of Amazon. The first one that I actually picked, I thought that there was a beautiful kind of teal turquoise color in this one. I actually didn't end up using it because there were some really large, not large, I guess you could say medium-sized hexagon glitters in this. And I thought it might give the nail too much texture. It's a beautiful color though, I must say. It's really nice color. So, but I didn't use it because I thought it would probably be too chunky for the design. So I decided to go with this fine glitter. I also got this off of Amazon. I believe I would have shown this in a previous video as well. So I'm just going to grab a dish and pour this over my entire finger. I have not cured the glitter gel polish that I applied. So you want to make sure that your nail is wet. And go ahead and apply some glitter. Apply as much as you can. Cover that nail up. Clean around the edges with some isopropyl alcohol. And then go ahead and stick it under either your UV lamp. Okay, now let's move on to the rest of my fingers. And then because I just love the color of sugar, that's the color that I'm going to be using on the rest of my nails, as well as a combination of the crystal and twinkle glitter to kind of create a marble onto my nail. So I'll let you watch just for a little bit and I'll come right back. So the marble on the ring finger is done, and now I'm going to move on to my index finger, and I am going to be using a combination of the twinkle as well as the crystal gel polish on top of each other. So to finish off these nails, I am going to add some opal rhinestones to these nails and then just kind of top coat the nails. So that is all that I have to show you for this really simple and really easy nail design. I do hope that you go and try to make something really magical. Thank you so much for watching my video. Use those discount codes and I will see you in the next one.